Hey everyone, welcome to Financify. In today's video, I'll show you how to verify your Bitget wallet account on PC. First, open your web browser and go to bitget.com. Click Login in the top right corner and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up first. Once you are logged in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Identity Verification. You will see 3 verification levels: Basic, Intermediate, and Advanced. Start with Basic Verification. Click on Verify. Fill in your personal details like full name, date of birth, and country of residence. Once done, click on Submit. Next, you will need to upload a government-issued ID like passport or driver's license. Click Upload Document, choose the type of ID, and upload clear photos of both the front and back. Now, complete the face verification. Click Start Face Verification. Make sure your webcam is on and follow the on-screen instructions to capture your face. Once you have submitted everything, Bitget will review your application. Verification usually takes a few hours and you'll be notified by email once it's approved. And that's it. You have now successfully verified your Bitget wallet account on PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more finance tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.